Jamaica,
Boy,
watch
Rasta,
this.
me can't believe my own family up to keep me down. Jad no Rasta.
Why? When it come to family, family good and family bad. You have some family where they do anything to make sure say you survive. But some, if you want them keep them distant, tell them say you're in need. Because let me tell you this. If you ever tell some of them, say you personally need something and it going to cost $100. Thousands them are give away. Thousands them are dash away. But you see that 100 the way you mentioned, that is the reason why you and them must start for the next 6 years. Because you don't know what? Them is ensuring that you don't get that 100 out of them position because you talk like it and make you somewhere. And them think you don't know. Them things say, you know, see them. When you ask and not get, you don't realize why you don't get. But that is something where we are supposed to learn. They will give the world to strangers. And if you're dead, you're frightened to see how quick them come kill them last maga cow and try to pull you out of them face like you need shame and say them a pull shame out of them eye. But when you're down and out and even about for dead, for hungry, call to them and see how they respond.
Blood clam was Rasta real talk, you know. Brother, you're a
Call
real
to
legend,
them.
you know. A fox man. Enough respect for our eyes.